Well, as millions of kids return to school, new COVID cases are still spiking across the country, prompting new action from the FDA and new warnings from the CDC. Steve Harrigan has more from Atlanta.
The new COVID summer surge appears to be accelerating. The CDC reporting COVID-related ER visits are up 2.5% in the past week. Hospitalizations also rising more than 4%. And testing positivity, an early indicator, increased 18%. The spike in cases comes as millions of children are heading back to school, prompting districts across the country to return to pandemic-era safety measures.
Make sure we take temperatures, make sure we're monitoring cold and flu symptoms. We always should care about the health and safety of our students and our families.
At the same time, there are fears of a new Mpox outbreak after the virus was labeled a global public health emergency. Clinics are now being set up to vaccinate high-risk populations. And so far, officials say plenty of folks are rolling up their sleeves.
It was very important for you to protect your health.
It's been a lot busier than expected, but that's a good problem to have.
Last week, the CDC updated its guidelines for respiratory viruses heading into the fall and winter, recommending everyone 6 months and older get a COVID booster and a flu shot. That guidance coming just one day after the FDA approved 2 new updated COVID vaccines.
The best plan going into this winter is for everyone to remain vigilant, to use the tools we have, vaccines, testing, treatment.
The CDC said free COVID tests will be available again this fall. In Atlanta, Steve Harrigan, Fox News.